Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. So today I am going to be making 3 summer DIYs you really need. So let's get right into it. Now, before we start, press that subscribe button and comment down below where you guys are going this summer. So let's get started. You're going to need 2 sheets of foam paper, 1 green and 1 yellow, because I'm making a pineapple. And then you're gonna need scissors. This is not gonna actually be part of it, obviously. A candle. This is also not gonna be part of it, obviously. And lastly, a pencil, because it's not gonna be part of it, obviously. I know I'm using a pen, just forget about that. Okay, so let's get started. So what you're gonna do first is you're gonna take your candle and your yellow sheet of foam paper and just put the candle on top and trace the circle at the bottom of the candle. Now you don't need a candle for this. You can also use anything else that has a circular bottom, but I am using a candle because it was the perfect size. Next, you want to cut the circle out. Next, take your green foam piece and take your pen and start to draw a pineapple leaf-like shape. I'm putting the circle on top of the green foam so that I can picturize what it's gonna look like, and I just found it much easier to draw like this. Alright, so I cut the shape out and now I'm just drawing little V shapes on the circle so that it looks like the little spikes that a pineapple would have in real life. I think that this step adds a lot of dimension and pizzazz and actually makes it look like a pineapple. Okay, so here is the pineapple. I glued down the leaves to the pineapple and I just think it's such a cute pineapple coaster. I love it so much and I'm definitely going to use it the next time I have a little drink. Okay, next we're going to be making a tassel. So you're going to need some black yarn, and what you're going to do is you're going to wrap it around some piece of cardboard or a paint chip. So here I am just wrapping it around. You're gonna need to wrap it around about 20 to 80 times. I know that's a humongous frame, but you're gonna need 20 if you are doing a shorter tassel with a thicker string, and 80 if you have a thinner string and a longer tassel. So now I took it off the paint chip, and I'm tying a knot at the end, but leaving a little loop so that I can put my tassel onto something like jewelry, earrings, room decor, whatever I want. And I'm tightening it really tight. And then I'm gonna bring out my scissors. And I'm just gonna cut across the other side just to make the tassel more full and voluminous. So ta-da, here is my tassel. Make sure that your tassel is super duper tight so it never comes out, and you can cut that leftover string if you need to. The next DIY isn't actually a DIY, it's just super cool. It's that you can use any water bottle or sippy cup, I don't know what you guys drink out of, but you can use anything and just put your pens inside it and use it as a pen stand. So here's an old water bottle that I have, and I'm just using it as a water bottle, and it actually looks pretty good and professional.